Alright, so I'm out here planting my peas today, and I thought I'd do a little video to give you a sneak peek into what that all entails. So in this bed I'm going to be planting my legumes. That's one of my four vegetable rotations in my 4-year cycle, and so legumes are going to be peas and beans, and they're going to help add nitrogen to the soil. So planting the peas today, I've already created my furrows here, about 3 centimeters deep. So in keeping with the general rule that you want to plant them about 3 times as deep as the seed is wide. Peas are about 1 centimeter wide, so that means they're going to be about 3 centimeters deep. I've planted them in a bit of a zigzag pattern here. What I've also done, you notice the peas are in glasses here, and that's because I soaked them in water overnight. So soaking them in water overnight is just going to help give them a little bit of a head start, get the water into the seed, and they should germinate a little bit faster. Now you'll also notice that some of the seeds that you buy have sort of a dye on them, or they look red or maybe a different color, and that's because they treat them with an inoculant. And inoculants can do a couple different things. They can prevent against bacteria or fungus growth, so like a fungicide to prevent powdery mildew. They can also be treated with bacteria to help nitrogen fixation. And so these peas have been treated, that's why they're a little bit of a different color, but I'm going to plant them exactly the same way. And after I put the peas in the furrow here, I'm going to water them in really, really well. And then I'm going to try and create a little bit of a trellis. Peas are going to create tendrils. They're going to come out and they're going to want to climb. And so I've got all of these old election sign holders here, and I'm going to try and come up with some kind of trellis using these guys. So I used up all of my election signage there, and I ran out before I had a chance to do the 3rd row. So I just made a few little teepees here too to hopefully give the peas something to climb up.